this is Janet from Women's Choice Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing the Lasko 12-inch Oscillating Performance Table Fan. Alright, so let's take a look at the fan. Oh, well, there may be some assembly required, so bear with me as I build the fan. Well, that wasn't so bad. So the Lasko oscillating fan has the standard features of a normal table fan. It has 3 settings, and it also has a lock feature in the back so that the fan stays pointing in one direction. Otherwise, it will be rotating. It's extremely quiet, even at the highest setting, as you can see. Again, by using the lock feature in the back, it'll keep it in one position. The materials are plastic and of good quality, which makes the fan very lightweight and extremely portable. So if you're looking for a table fan, definitely add the Lasko oscillating table fan to your list. You won't believe it turned into a fan!